Welcome to ICE Gate Academy. In this lecture, we will study the important subject in GATE syllabus, that is analog electronics. Every year in GATE examination, analog electronics has weightage around 8 to 12 marks. So it becomes a very important subject from the weightage point of view. Out of 55 technical questions, there will be around 6 to 7 questions from analog electronics. So uh, this is a very important subject for as far as gate examination is concerned. We'll start this subject with operational amplifier. Operational amplifier. An operational amplifier is basically an amplifier which amplifies the difference in the voltages applied at the input terminals. It basically has two inputs, one represented with positive sign known as non-inverting input, while other input represented with negative sign known as inverting input, and has an output terminal where a voltage is generated which is amplified version of the difference in the voltages applied at the input, which is equal to AOL, called as open loop gain of the amplifier multiplied with difference in the input voltages. Apart from this, we will have two more terminals. One is positive supply plus VCC, negative supply minus VEE. So this is a basic circuit representation of an operational amplifier. In the circuits we will use this symbol. An operational amplifier uh, has given this name because this operational amplifier is used not alone with some additional component, passive components. This can be used for some operations, mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, log, multiplication. These operations can be performed using this operational amplifier. Means circuits can be designed using this operational amplifier for performing these mathematical operations. So as it can perform these mathematical operations, it is called operational amplifier. So we have already discussed that if we apply two voltages at the input, V1 voltage at the inverting input, V2 voltage at the non-inverting input, and it generates an output which is equal to AOL, open loop gain, into V2 minus V1. Basically it amplifies the difference in the voltages applied at the input. So if we have V2 greater than V1, then from this equation we can say that this difference will be positive. If this difference is positive, then output V0 will be positive. So an operational amplifier will generate a positive voltage at the output if the voltage at non-inverting input is greater than voltage at inverting input V1. If we have second case that v1 is greater than v2, if v1 is greater than v2, then this difference will be negative. If this difference is negative, voltage output V naught will be equal to negative. If